Okay, so thank you very much for joining the session. So Nishant, can you talk for a minute? Is it possible? Okay, okay, I understood. So that's it. So Nishant, your answer is very good, frankly speaking, wonderful answer. Mr. Tahir, your answer is also excellent. I think he's not there. And Vishnu, your answer is also good at the moment. So Diana, good effort, very good effort in your answer, Diana. So I'm really happy with your effort as well. So thank you, Mr. Tahir. Your effort is very good, Mr. Tahir. Good effort, good structurization, and I will just guide you on what are the next thing that you need to do. Now, students, before moving into the mock exam answer, the first thing I need to say, in SEMA examination, it's a professional course, as you already know, that your attitude should be as a finance manager. Please don't go with a student attitude because they are not interested in the student solution. They want finance manager solution to the situation. Solution to the situation. So students, just remember this. This is very much crucial that your role is a finance manager. And some students are writing senior finance manager. No, we already have a senior finance manager. So you are a finance manager only at the company Frinta. So students, you should be thinking possibly like working in the company Frinta. Now students, we need to assume that even in this class, we are assuming that we all are employees at Frinta, and you need to think on the perspective of Frinta. So the first thing that every student should improve is answer planning, because the previous exam was an open book exam, so you did not have a time pressure. So answer planning comes is first thing is I need to say is before answer planning, I always say as a time plan. Time planning is very important, or in simple language, you need to have a time budget because time is ultimate. And I told you students, this question is time for 45 minutes. So just remember one thing, students, this question is time for only 45 minutes. So you should develop your answer towards the 45 minutes so that you will be able to develop the points very, very relevant to the question. And students, if you observe the writing style, I have already shared you an article in the portal where it is the walkthrough of the MCS marker. You must read that article, students, which is there in the Google Classroom. It is clearly mentioned the structure that what we do is only mentioned. So the structurization is not so difficult, students. It's very simple. The first structure is we need to have the technical understanding. Technical understanding is, students, you need to write down the knowledge as a basic intro. Some answers knowledge was very long, very long. Don't go for that. That is OCS. Now in MCS, the technical knowledge must be there, but not a lengthy technical knowledge. And next one is the business knowledge. That means the real simulation. That is simulation towards Frinta. Simulation towards Frinta. Now students, this is the greatest exercise a management accountant can have, because we are a dummy company we are simulating, which is giving us the intelligence to our brain. After the business knowledge, the next one we need to have is the people management skill, because students, the people skill, in simple language, the characters in the case study, and also students, I can specifically say after the characters in the case study, the other parties I can say also the stakeholders. Now students, stakeholders wise, I told you Drongo is a stakeholder in this case study, as you are aware. So you need to remember Drongo, YP Burn is a stakeholder, that is your competitor. And the last one is the leadership skill, that is we say in simple language, as I can specifically say, is the process. How are you going to manage the process, the implementation style? So students, frankly speaking, in simple language, if you see technical, if I want to say, you need to explain the what element, and the business is the why element, why this is relevant for our business. People is the who element, who are impacted because of it, and leadership is how you are going to implement. Now students, if you have been working in a company like McDonald's or KFC, because I wanted to say, students, if you look at the entire finance industry, McDonald's was the first company in the world to develop a concept of standard costing. And I think you would have aware about the variance analysis that was generally developed by McDonald's. So if you work in McDonald's, students, they generally require everything. Balance scorecard. Example, I will just guide you an understanding. So if you are going to write about balance scorecard, you need to initially explain what is balance scorecard in a very short sentence. 2 sentences are enough, or 3 sentences or 4 sentences, but don't go into 3-4 paragraphs, students. So I'll write down here maximum 4 sentences is enough. 4 sentences will effectively result in 1 paragraph. So after the balance scorecard, students, you need to explain the balance scorecard factors, explain the factors to print up. Now, students, if I say internal perspective, basically one small explanation. So internal perspective, I can say we have one factory. We have one factory in the Westland, I can say, industrial area. And then we have one factory in the, I can say, the tech region. And we have one R&D, the research and development as well, and the head office. So students, if you see, this is generally the internal factors, what I'm saying here. And then students, after internal factors, I can say learning and growth. Now, if you see learning and growth, if you observe, students, we have the smart technology, if I'm not mistaken. But what we do the business process reengineering by taking the smart speaker of our competitor and design something similar to that. And after learning and growth, we have the next one is the customer perspective. So students, customer perspective at the moment is household. We did not target the corporations, any other things. And then students, financial perspective, that is the KPI what we measure, that is like revenue growth. We have a small dashboard given in the pre-seen material of the segmental analysis, if I'm not mistaken. There was a segmental analysis mentioned there. So students, can you just get the understanding of this? So if you don't mind, students, can you take 1 minute and can you go through this? Can you write this down in a piece of paper, and then you can put Y in the chat box? Can you please write it down, and then you can put Y in the chat box? This is very, very important, students, and this is the fundamental element that is required for you to improve your scoring thing. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Any questions there, you can ask me. Is it fine for your students? Malit, can I get a yes from you?
Yes.
Thank you. So thank you very much, students. So I believe that is clear. So now coming into the applications, what I will do is I will do a small color coding. The color coding, what I will do at the moment is, students, I will make the color coding, because in future when you're developing your answers, please, after you complete the answer, you can just do the color coding, because the business is on, I made it as red color. Let's follow that. The people, let's go with green color, and the leadership is blue color. So what happens is, students, whenever you are structuring your answers, you will be able to color code the sentences accordingly. And when you improve your color coding, what happens is your writing skills develops very strong. So students, so I believe this is very clear. So what we will do next is, students, it's not so complication, students. I believe you are able to see the screen. Now, this is only known as the CIMA blueprint. Now, our target is we are going to do this because we need to do this in a very, very business based, and I will be completing all these for your understanding. Now, I can explain the relevance of WACC, that is weighted average cost of capital. So you need to know what is WACC, technical knowledge, but you need to explain the relevance of WACC to Frinta. So our company is Frinta, so you need to use the knowledge and apply to the Frinta. I believe you are getting the correct answer there. So students, we will be going through this. So now we are going through the disruption only at the moment. That is the part A, number 5. So you don't worry, let's finish that off. So students, coming to the mock number 1. So here is the mock number 1. And we also have a reference material also in this mock number 1. So students, now whenever you go to the examination, the first thing that you need to do is a very simple strategy, students. The very simple strategy what I wanted to say is you need to do a time plan. So I will write down here time plan. Now, when we are doing all the mock students, you will automatically learn how the time plan works out because we have series of mocks we will be learning. So the time plan. Now, if you see the 45 minutes is the time. So firstly, explain the factors that we need to consider when we are going ahead with digital transformation. So students 20% they have given. So if you see 25 marks is only for one area. So 25 marks, if you multiply by 20%, it effectively gives you 5 marks. That's the breakdown. And the second one is 60% students. So look at the percentage, 60% of 25 marks. 25 marks will effectively give you another answer of 15 marks, if I'm not mistaken. And then students again 20%, again of 25 marks students for your understanding. This will again give you 5 marks. This will again give you 5 marks. So if you take the total of these, effectively the total breakdown of this will give you something around 25 marks. But students just remember 25 marks is just for 45 minutes. So if you are going to do this, a rough plan, what I can give you is if you look at 25 marks, 45 minutes means it is not even 2 minutes if I'm not mistaken. So my suggestion here is for 5 marks question, you can go with maximum, you divide it by 2, 5 divided by 2, 5 divided by 2, it gives you somewhat 2.5, okay, 2.5 paragraph. So you need to develop a 2.5 paragraph, and it's always recommended if you can go with the heading rather than paragraphs, because sometimes it's very difficult to read when the paragraphs are very long. Now, I'll give you a classic example. Ansfro, are you there? Ansfro?
Yes, sir.
So your answers are very lengthy with paragraphs. So you need to break it down into paragraphs. So students, you must read the answers of Nishant, you must read the answers of Vishnu, and you must read the answers of Tahir. And then you can go through the answers of answer. You will observe students that the points are good, but the thing is presentation is not for the time bound. So again, I will divide it by 2. So here it's going to be 2.5 paragraph. Now students, again, I'm telling you, even if you write one paragraph answer also, examiner will make you pass, because in CIMA, they are following a marking guide called weighting and scoring. Weighting and scoring students is where they consider the weighted average performance of the students. Because students, if you generally see case study, you don't have a standard platform or standard marking scheme. It always depends on the justification of the students. So you need to be very, very careful, students, that whenever you are doing this, you should be very much aligned with what you are connecting with. So children, if you're fine with this, can I get a Y in the chat box, students? So this is how you need to structure. So I can make it very simple. For this, you can go with, I can say 8 minutes, just my budget, 8 minutes of typing. And here, this one also, you can go with 8 minutes. Students, typing speed should be increased, so 16 minutes. And for this, I can give 15 minutes. So 16 plus 15 is 31. So I'll write down here 14 minutes. Of that 14 minutes, you can take 7 minutes for reading, my budget, students. Of the 7 minutes, students, what you can do is, children, of the 7 minutes, you can keep another 5 minutes balance for checking your answers as well. You need to do a proofreading once you are done with that. So believe me, students, this is the basic. So I prefer, once again, if you can write down the time plan as well. Now, again, I'm telling you, students, students with 90%. Second one is, sorry, thank you. Second one is 15 minutes, sorry. Second one is 15 minutes. And the last one is 8 minutes. So students, one request I have is you must do the mocks, because it's your decision. But according to my data analysis, the students who does out of the 30 mocks exam, what we are practicing, a student who does 90%, that means 27 mocks with feedback, passes the exam. That is the data according to my past experience, but it's your decision to make your call. But that's the first day suggestion, students. Those who have missed it, no problem. You have the next day, again the next day, again the next day, but it will not go after the exam day. So remember that. Okay. So children, I believe this is fine. So now the time plan is also over. Now let's read the requirement first. Now children, observe the way I am connecting the requirement so that it gives you the understanding. So firstly, explain, the verb is explain, factors we need to consider when we are going ahead with digital transformation. Now, answer the verb here is what? The verb is we. Now, we means you, me, all. You get what I'm saying, Ansro? Yes or no? We
Yes,
means
sir.
the management, the management. So they are specifically using the term we, that they want an answer for the we, our organization's factors to be considered. So what I will do is, students, I'll write down here, factors to be considered, factors to be considered when I can say Frinta digitally transforming, digitally transforming, digitally transforming, digitally transforming, digitally transforming. When Frinta is digitally transforming. Factors to be considered when Frinta is digitally transforming, digitally transforming. Okay. So students, now that is the first ideology. So my question to you is, if you are the finance manager of this organization, you have a big challenge in constructing your answer. Because if you see, is this a specific question for Frinta or is this a general question for Frinta? That means I'm not saying general question for the question. That's a theory question. I'm not asking in that perspective. But digital transformation in this requirement, is this a general digital transformation or a specific digital transformation? Answer, what do you think? General or specific?
Specific, sir.
No, it's not specific. It is general. I will tell you why. Because they never said about smart speaker or heater or ventilator specifically. They specifically mentioned Frinta. So Frinta means we have two production departments. One is the heating and the ventilator departments, and the other department is what? The smart speaker department. So if they specifically mention for the smart speaker department, they would have specifically used the term Frinta friend. Did they use the term Frinta friend here?
No, sir.
So effectively, it is a general Frinta requirement. Are you clear with that? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
So students, if you don't mind, can you write down a note of that, students? Because that is the main weakness of the answer. Nishant, did you get that point where you went wrong? So students, you need to get the areas where you are missing. Now, Ansro, now did you understand what would have happened in the previous exams? You get what I'm saying, Ansro? Because
Yes, sir.
thing is, it looks easy, but it's not easy. That's the reality. So I will write down here, this question, all did not break it. This question needs to be considered as an overall digital transformation, considered as an overall digital transformation, overall digital transformation, overall digital transformation. So I will write down here, that means we have two production operations. One is the heating and what? Ventilators, correct? No, answer. And the other one is what? Other one is the smart
speakers.
and children, remember the name, that is Frinta friend. Frinta friend name is very, very crucial. If they are not specifically mentioning Frinta friend, be very, very careful that your mindset should talk like a real finance manager, real finance manager, real finance manager. Mr. Tahir, if you can comment or talk, it will be really helpful. Did you understand where did you make the mistake, Mr. Tahir? Mr. Ahmad, yes. I think
Yes, I am here.
yes. These are tiny mistake, but it will cost you all a lot. Ahmad,
Yes.
did you understand where the mistake went out, Ahmad? Did you observe that?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Thank you. Amrit Nash, your answer was very good. Did you observe where you went wrong, Amrit Nash, here?
Yeah, yes, sir.
Yes. So students, be very careful. This examiner is very, very, I can say, shrewd. He will give you a very easy type of question, but it will have a lot of differences. Diana, did you understand what happened in this question? Where the mistake went out in reading?
Yes, I did. I check your.
Thank you. Thank you.
Yes, thank you.
Thank you. Thank you. So students, this is a very serious reminder, because students who has that concrete experience will only know where they are going wrong, because some students always get in the border of 78, 76 or 70 odd. They need to be very, very careful, students. In the exam day, they would have given a similar question like this, but the meaning, what they expect will be little different. Now, how did I think is, I am the finance manager. So if I'm the finance manager, I know the portfolio of the products that is there in my organization. So I believe that is sorted. So if you want to have a 2.5 paragraph, what we can do is we can write down a basic introduction about digital transformation. What do you think, Ansro? Can we write a digital transformation note? Possible or not
Yes.
possible? Yeah.
Possible, sir.
And then you can also write, if you can write 3 factors, it is highly recommended, but you can write 2 factors. My first factor, I always will be existing systems. What do you think? Yes or no? Existing
Yes,
systems,
sir.
very, very important. Answer, can the Indian Railway transform digitally immediately? Indian Railway networks?
Uh,
I don't think so. The main reason is it's a very huge network. Are you clear what I'm saying? So the
yes,
existing
sir.
systems will be different from state to state. So it will not be correct. So the first thing as a finance manager, we need to check the existing systems. That is the first factor we need to consider. Cost is a factor, but it's not a specific factor. Cost you can write, time you can write, but the first thing is existing system is a major factor we need to consider. And the other one is competency. The other one is what? Competency, because whatever said and done, students, a digital transformation needs a lot of competency. What do you think, Ansro? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
And after competency, we can also go ahead with other proposals as well. So one is digital transformation, other one is existing systems, then competency, and the other one I can generally say is when we are digitally transforming, network integration. What do you think? Network integration is important or not important? Very much important,
Very much.
because we have a huge network where we supply our goods and services. Construction business may not be digitally transformed. So do we have an alternate for them? You get what I'm saying, Ansro? Yes or no? Because
Yes,
there
sir.
may be some wholesalers who are being the traditional wholesalers. So we need to manage both the things in the perspective. So if you are a sales agent working for Unilever, for Cargill's Food City in Sri Lanka, or a supermarket, you can have digitally transformed. But when you go to a shop, you can't do that. So you need to have both manual and digital working together. Example, Ansro, I can generally give you a basic understanding. Even if you see in India, the supermarkets like Big Bazaar, everything you can automate, correct? No, Ansro. But if you
Yes,
see
sir.
departmental stores, you can't do that because they generally have lack of backup. So wonderful point, availability of backup. So all these points are correct. So I'll just write down a point given by Mary Rai, so that you all can develop it, the point. So this is how we need to think, availability of backup, because students, we need to have a backup of our existing thing, because in case of data migration, there may be situations of data getting lost. So digital transformation, these are the planning areas that we have done. So before I go into the secondly part, because first of all, I need to develop the points, and then it's just the writing work only I need to do. So I believe, students, the first part is clear for you all. But you need to be very careful. Heating, ventilator, and smart speakers are 2 different journeys. Are you clear with that, Ansro?
Yes, sir.
Students, I want to show one thing. I think many people miss this point. So I'll just want to show this to you so that you will be a little bit concerned of how it works out. So they are saying, students, the Frinta Friend is designed for the use of standalone mode, although it can control Frinta's heating and ventilation. Frinta has collaborated with Drunkcode for plugin. That is also clear. And then they are specifically stating there was a idea given by an app. So 1 minute, students, I will just show you. There was a situation they were guiding about the app. If I think there was an app somewhere here, they mentioned here, Printer Friend is sold as a consumer product through retailers, both physical and online. Now example, if you see YP Burns Vox, they are also sold online, but their ratings are very high. Correct me if I'm wrong, Anstro, yes or no? But if
Yes,
you
sir.
see Printer Friend, they are also sold online. But the problem is, are they having a visibility in the online platform? If you get what I'm saying, Answer, visibility is
Yes,
very
sir.
important. And the next thing is, students, the other point. So just remember that we are also there in the online store, but our visibility is very, very poor for your understanding. And the next thing I wanted to show is there was an idea that we missed out. I will just show it to you, students, so it will be very easy. So these are the main factors that we missed. Okay. Frintas market its controllers heavily through advertising. That is very clear. And then they are saying Frinta does not advertise. That is also clear. Rely on customer satisfaction, everything. Profile. There was an article regarding Frinta's app, mobile app. Did anyone notice that? Ansfro, did you notice that app? They already have a digital app. By any chance, did you check that? Anyone in the class, can you tell me the page? If you have read that, there was an idea of app. There was app, students. They already have app. They already have app. So that is the main problem of these students. Can someone tell me where was that app, if I'm not mistaken? Page number, it was there. 100% sure it was there. Okay. Most of Frinta devices are now smart, meaning they can connect the household Wi-Fi system and be operated by an app downloaded to a smartphone, tablet, or desktop. Users can operate their heating system in the room, making it user-friendly interface. In the app to make adjustment with ease, they can also control their devices outside the home, provided they have internet connection. So one thing is they already have an app. You get what I'm saying, Ansro? Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So already have an app which can be used to control the heating and ventilator. And now there are little precaution that the smart speaker may take over that. Are you getting the point of view, Ansro? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
So students, if you get that point, can you just put Y in the chat box, students? Because it's very, very important. So already there is a little bit of digital transformation. Okay. Already there is a little bit of digital transformation. So coming to the next one, students, coming to the next one. So that clearly shows. So coming to the mock. So here we are going to write down, evaluate the concept of intelligent business enterprise to Frinta. So I will write down the next one, students, the next heading. So let's break it down. Evaluate the concept of intelligent business enterprise, not business intelligence, concept of intelligent business enterprise. Business intelligence is a program, but intelligent business enterprise is something different. I am going to explain that theory also today, but just get the understanding. So 60%. So as I told you, students, if you look at the calculation, it is showing 7.5 paragraph. We can give a basic idea about intelligent business organization, intelligent business enterprise. That is one thing. Okay. So that is the first one. Anyway, you need to explain. So it is how many percent, students? It is 60%. Correct, no, students, if I'm not mistaken. It is 60% intelligent business enterprise. And then, students, I have one more question for you, just for your idea. So intelligent business enterprise, evaluate for Frinta. So can we do it on a 2 scales? That is, one is for heating and what? Ventilators. What do you think, Ansro? Yes or no? And the other evaluation, can it be done for speakers, smart speakers? What do you think? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
So students, now if you see heating and ventilators, I can say that intelligent business enterprise model may not be successful. So I need to give an argument logically explaining that. But for smart speaker, will that be successful? Of course, because it collects data. So coming to the next one, so just getting the understanding, you don't worry, I will do that. And the last one, thirdly, explain how workforce reimagine will contribute towards Frinta. So that also was an area that many people missed out. So I will guide you with the explanation. So workforce reimagine for Frinta, for Frinta. Okay. Now children coming to the line. So that is 20 marks. So we can keep 2 paragraphs for that. So when I go to the exam hall, the first thing I do is I break down the question. Whenever you have a problem, you need to break the problem into small parts. Then only students, you will be able to find it easy. Likewise, whenever you see a question, break it down into small areas. At least take out the main headings from the question before you go to the case. So before I go to the reading part, are you clear with this breaking down, students? Answer, is it clear for you? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Children, can I get a Y in the chat box if you are clear with this? Because this is very, very important. And one more thing, students, your attitude in the examination should be, you are a finance manager. You should behave like a finance manager. So what happens is you should give solution. Even if you don't know the answer, you should give solution. So let's come to this question now. So David Wynne Jones has met in a staff meeting where he has been very much keen with your knowledge in the digital transformation that is taking place in the external market. Also, Alcin Chan has also provided some data regarding current changes that are taking place in the market. They both together has sent you a common mail. Please be kind enough to refer. Okay. So the concept is the first paragraph. First paragraph will always be the theme in the examination. And then you should be able to connect it. Hi, I believe you are good. Thank you very much for your curiosity on showing the internet interest towards the business development. First of all, we need to admit that Westland, that is our country, so many students missed Westland, already saturated in the building construction due to the compliance of government regulation. Further, we need to understand that the development of Internet of Things are making a severe disruption in the market. So Internet of Things is making a severe disruption in the market. So one thing, can I ask you one question, Ansfro? Already, Ansfro, we have apps, yes or no? Do we have apps already to control our heaters, yes or no? So,
Yes, sir.
so we should be very careful that our apps are controlled by our fingers. Can I ask you one question? Can we develop a voice command to our app?
Yes, sir.
Students, think about that. What if we develop a voice command to our app? Will that be a disruptor for, I can say, YP Burn? What do you think, students? Yes or no? High chances, right? Your voice command in the app. Some people may generally have mobile phone in their hands always. So what they will generally think is, they may think, okay, it's very easy to control using the mobile phone if you have the app already. Yes or no, students? So think outside the box. As per the current data statistics, we have been very much backwards in the production process and the basic business development. Therefore, we are planning to consider the process of aligning ourselves towards the business digital transformation, since this is the future. Further, please be kind enough to further consider the other factors such as intelligent business enterprise. Students, intelligent business enterprise is a different model. Business intelligence is a different model. And workforce reimagine. And they're asking workforce reimagine because we need to understand how these can be implemented within the firm. Refer the reference material. So you are getting the basic idea of these, but none of the students in the class didn't mention that we already have an app which can be used to control our heating and lighting. So I want to ask that question, students, from Amrit. Amrit, what happened? Why did you miss that? Did you notice that in your initial reading, or you missed that?
Sir, I have looked into it, but I missed it.
Missed it, no?
Yeah.
Students, now remember that small mistake, what you did, can cost you a result at 70s. Doctor, are you there? Dr. Charmin, are you there? I think she's not there. Okay, so just remember, students, that is very, 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 very important that you don't make mistakes in the class. This is very, 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 very important. Okay, coming to the next one, students. Now, the next area, that is the reference material. I have subscribed to a business magazine, Harvard Business Review. where I have been observing the concept of intelligent enterprise, where the companies have made it very much convenient for both consumers and suppliers, where they generally work with the system rather than the human. Further, at present, many organizations are improving their performances by having robotics and other sources of new development in the work environment, which is generally helping the business to grow. So this is just a reference material about this, but they are not explaining anything related to the concepts. They are just giving a basic guidance like what they do in office as well. So children, now I believe that everyone is very much clear with how to do this. And at the moment, since we are learning this for the first time, I may take some time to do it. But when we specialize these areas, it will be easy. So any questions you have in the reading, but one thing remember students, we already have an app, and that app can be still used to control our heating and ventilator. So we can update that app with voice command. That is one thing. And the second thing is, students, just keep in mind, if we update it, it will have a good strength for our current situation. So any questions, students, you can ask me. If it is fine with the reading, shall we start working with the typing part? Can I get Y in the chat box, students? Excellent, excellent. Thank you very much. Thank you very much. Thank you. Thank you very much, students. So digital transformation. So first thing what I will do is I will guide you on what is digital transformation first. What is digital transformation first? Okay, so let's start working on this, students. Okay, digital transformation. Business intelligence is a different concept. Intelligent business enterprise is a different kind. Business intelligence is something related to a database system. Intelligent business enterprise is something driven by artificial intelligence, which I will explain. So digital transformation. So let's start working. So digital transformation. One good thing about Seema, you can write in your own words. Digital transformation is the process where manual business process is converted to digital. So students, I will just write down a basic idea of digital transformation. So it's very simple. Since we are management accountants, we can write this. So for the practical example, some students ask me, can we write down practical examples? Yes, provided this is relevant to the case. So I will write down one thing. Example, at present, the manual bookkeeping. Now we learn in school manual bookkeeping. The manual bookkeeping is generally automated. Is generally what, students? Is generally automated. Example. Okay. So what I will write down here, another case is nowadays, all businesses, this is my thing, all businesses should have a strong website, and a good social media presence, to reach the consumer, basic idea. So I can say my communication is becoming very closer to the examiner. So I will now connect to the area of what we need. So I can generally write down here, Frinta has developed apps where the user can control the heating and ventilators. Now the problem I will tell you, now even when you read the pre-scene, they did not highlight this app. What do you think, Anstro? Yes or no? Did they
Yes,
highlight
sir.
this specifically? No. So my
No.
question to you, Anstro, do you think still some consumers are not aware that there is an app like this existing? What do you think, Anstro? Yes or no?
Yes, sir, maybe.
Maybe, right? Because there are some product, students, where the people are not aware about the features what that is there. Example, I can generally say a product like Apple MacBook, people don't know the full features. They generally know how to do the basic functions. So I'll write down here. Therefore, we can understand based on the growth, of smart speaker, the consumers are not much aware about this. Because can a consumer set up a heating and ventilator controller by themselves, or they need to have a specialized professional coming and doing that?
Specialized professionals, sir.
Do you think those guys will teach these people how to use it, or they will just fit it and go, and they'll just teach them how to on and off? Only that, no.
Can you just fix them? Yes,
They'll
sir.
just teach them. So I will write down here, I can generally say the leadership. Here comes the leadership. The specialized professionals will be installing the product and leaving rather than providing guidance on how to use it. Correct? No answer, yes or no?
Yes,
Therefore,
sir.
we may have digitally transformed, but presence may not be there. Digitally transformed, but presence may be not there. So I will give you a very classic example, so the global market will understand. This, I think, a Sri Lankan example. Satosa.com is not aware by anyone. Nishant, are you aware about Satosa.com? Malik, are you aware about Satosa.com?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, but do you think people are aware about that? I don't
No,
think
sir.
that. No, right? People are not aware. So it's not aware by the mass market. So just remember, students, there may be a service, but that may not be aware about. Can I ask one question, Ansro? Are you aware about a website called planner.cma global?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, but do you think majority of the students are aware about that? I don't think so. Because in that website, you get all the data of the materials, everything, because majority is aware about CIMA global. So this is
Yes,
the
sir.
strategic management accountant's answer. You get what I'm saying. So look at how the examiner was very much strategic here, because a person who really knows the case study only can give a correct answer to the management like this. Are you clear with this, students? If you are clear with this, can I please get Y in the chat box? Because every day when you wake up in the morning, you should read the pre-scene and visualize the pre-scene. Then only you can remember, students. Because I observed that no one was connecting this in their answer. This one was completely an area which was not at all touched. And in case if someone passed this paper, they will pass it in the border level only, students. Okay. Thank you very much. Now, students, now existing systems. Now, in the existing system also, I need to explain about the app. What do you think, Ansro? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
So one thing is, two things are there. Now, if you see how to download an app, first thing is it should be there in the instruction manual. Correct? No, Ansro? If there
Yes,
is
sir.
instruction manual, there needs to be a promo sticker in the thing. You can download it. QR code, have you heard something called QR code?
Yes, sir. Yeah.
So I don't think QR code was not there. So shouldn't we discuss general? No, not general decision. You are manager here. You can't talk general. You should be very specific to the case. That's what you are getting a praise in 6 months in 6 weeks in advance. So just writing general digital disruption won't give any marks. You can go through the past papers in our portal and get an idea how the answers are structured. So students who has referred the past papers would have understood it's very straight to the business. Very straight to the business. So existing business. So I will just write it down. So first thing I'll write down, at present, the heating and ventilators have an app for controlling using internet. That's clear, no answer, yes or no?
Yes,
So
sir.
can I ask one basic question? Why YP Burn was successful? I can say mainly because of our company, because they did not promote their app properly. What do you think, Canstro? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
So I can say, however, consumers are now shifting towards smart speaker mainly since they were not aware about the app. They were not aware about that. That is the first point of view in this. The evidence. Now, my question to the class is, if someone is not aware about the app, what is the evidence is you need to say, this is a little bit of leadership point, so I'll just write down. We need to check the App Store and see whether there are how many downloads. You get what I'm saying? Some big companies apps downloads are very poor. What do you think, Canstro? Yes or no? Big
Yes, sir.
there it will be very, very poor. So the next thing what we need to do is I can say, the next thing is I will connect once again. So I will just write it down. Print a friend is already having some basic features of voice command. But YP Burn is better. YP Burn is better. So one small adjustment I need to make here. I will just connect everything in the red color because all these are mostly related to the business, if I'm not mistaken, because all these are business knowledge, basic business knowledge. So that is the point of view. So next thing what I wanted to continue is, I will just write down. The stakeholders, especially the manufacturing team, designing and research and development should consider the factors the company should adjust. Example, QR code for the heating and ventilator controller to download the app. So students, we do not have a QR code system. And the next thing is a very, very important, the sales channel. The sales channel should be educated with the usage of new technology. Therefore, we need to understand that we may not have a challenge in the process of operations, because frankly speaking, operations generally we are updated because we have app also, but in the sales channel we may face. What do you think, Anstro? Yes or no? Because the sales contractors, all these people, builders, they may not be aware there is something like app controlling. What do you think, Anstro? Makes sense or doesn't make sense? So the next thing what I will do is competency. So students, shall we work on the competency? Yeah. So competency is not so difficult. So any questions in the previous one, students, you can ask me. Answer, is it clear? You're on mute, I think.
Oh, yes, sir, it's clear.
It's clear. Okay. So students, I will move on to the competency part. So I will write down the next one. See very carefully, we have competency. Because if someone can develop an app, Anstro, we have competency. What do you think? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
But no alignment. What do you think? Yes or no? Competency
Yes.
is there, but no alignment is there. So students, this is the intellectual point you are giving as a consultant. We do have competency, but there is no alignment there. Because if you see Anstro, sometimes the best team doesn't perform. Mainly they have not aligned their team properly. No unity among the team. No proper alignment about. They don't know how to use the technology. So no alignment. Therefore, the digital transformation can be implemented since already we have app-based controlling technology. Within brackets, I'll write down IoT. What is IoT, students? Internet of
Internet
Things.
of Things.
So students, I will continue the next sentence. So I will write down here. Therefore, we need to find a method to improve the digital marketing, where we need to reach the customer directly via YouTube channel. Can we do that? Yes or no? Possible or not possible, Anstro?
Possible, sir.
Possible. Right now, students, if you see YouTube channel, generally students like nowadays, even big things, because you can set up a stove, gas, everything using a YouTube channel. So these guys can develop the digital marketing using YouTube channel, where the guidance can be provided, where the guidance can be provided, on how to use. That is very essential at the moment. And then I can generally write down one more point as well. The factories. So I'll just mention the factories needs to be considered whether they have new upgraded manufacturing process or the old traditional system. Old, what students? Traditional system. Old traditional systems. Students, I believe this sentence plays a major role. So remember this, students, examiner never wants you to give an answer that is already learned. This is not a pre-learned answer. This is an answer that is a situational answer. So this is the point here, students, on competency. We have competency, but no alignment. So network integration. So this is once again a very important point. So network integration, I can continue with that. So I will write down at present, we don't have any digital networks. What do you think, Anstro? Yes or no? We do not
Yes,
have
sir.
any digital network. It is the old supply chain we used in the past. Therefore, the digital transformation should be able to connect the supply network via a website, and also the customer complaints can be collected. What do you think, Anstro? Yes or no? Can
Yes,
be,
sir.
because students, customer complaints getting collected, this is the greatest resource a company can do. So this is the point of view I'm saying. So if you have asked me a question, why didn't score anything more than 120 or 130 out of 150, it's not the quantity of your answer, it's the quality of your answer. And if you are a finance manager and if you don't know that your company has your own app, do you think, are you a real finance manager? What do you think, Ansro?
No, sir.
No, right? So students, you need to make a note of that availability of backup. Now I need to ask that question from Miri Rai. Now already if they have an app, already availability of backup is there. Cloud is already existing. What do you think, Ansro? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
So I can say you will get marks, but examiner will think one thing. I reminded this candidate that this candidate is a finance manager 6 weeks before the exam. This candidate is still writing an answer of a student. So children, everyone in the class, just relax. You are the finance manager. Give solutions based to the situation. So if you're fine with this, can I get a Y in the chat box, students, so that we can go to the next area as well? Thank you very much, students. Thank you very much. Thank you very much. So get the application properly, students, because application plays a major role, because if you can do the application properly, it will be great. Okay, coming to the next one, students, evaluate the concept of intelligent business enterprise. Now comes the question. So I will give you the theory explanation and then I will guide you. So intelligent business enterprise. What is business enterprise? Anything that sells goods and services. Correct? No answer. Yes or no? Anything
Yes,
that
sir.
sells goods and services is business enterprise. Intelligent business enterprise is anything that sells goods and services by artificial intelligence. You get what I'm saying? That is intelligent business enterprise. Example, Amazon. Now, have you seen a sales guy coming and promoting their products, or it automatically observes the data in your mobile phone and gives you the product and services you like? It does that, right? If I'm not
Yes,
mistaken.
sir.
Yes or no? Now you see Myntra, all these online stores, what they do, they track your search engine history. They track the traffic and they develop the content based on the online traffic that is there. So intelligent business enterprise is a business that is running by itself based on the customer's taste. You get what I'm saying? Nowadays,
Yes, sir.
another classic example of an intelligent business enterprise I can say is Uber Eats. Now, if you see Uber Eats, it tracks your food habit. It will ask you a question. What you do? Data mining? No. Data mining is just a process. This is completely automated. Data mining is a process. This is completely automated. Now, business intelligence is a process. Intelligent business enterprise is a unit. It's a unit. It's like a separate enterprise that doesn't need a human intervention, and it tracks all the behavior of the consumer and it automatically reviews what it wants. Uber Eats, it tracks your food habit. It tells you what you need to do. That is a business, intelligent business enterprise. And mark my words, Ansro, at the current moment, most of the companies are becoming intelligent business enterprise. What do you think, Ansro? Yes or no?
Yes, sir. Yeah.
So, Amritnath, did you get the understanding between intelligent business enterprise? Now, Facebook suggests products. Yeah, right. Now, if you see business intelligence is just a tool. Now, Facebook automatically give friends suggestions. It gives you product suggestion. All these are intelligent business enterprises. And mark my words, Ansro, there can be intelligent doctor enterprises coming in the future. Basic headache, cough, it will ask you the diagnosis and you can tell what you are feeling, and it can give you the prescription. There can be a situation like that coming in the future also. Even if you see LinkedIn also, it gives you that. So business intelligence is, without the human intervention, it can give you support. Now my question is, example, can I ask you one question, Ansro? The weather.
Yes, sir.
If you see the weather, temperature is very cool. So a smart speaker can give an instruction to the heating and ventilator to reduce the heat. Is that possible? Yes or no?
Yes, sir. Possible.
Possible. That means without you say that you need to reduce it by voice command, it automatically reduce it by observing the climate from the internet data. What do you think, Astro? And
Yes,
in
sir.
case if
Possible.
there is a thunder, a lightning taking place, it automatically switches off before you switch off. What do you think, Astro? Can we
Yes,
develop
sir.
an intelligent technology like that? I think it will be possible. Example, in
Yes,
future,
sir. Possible.
computers will automatically switch off before you switch off during a situation of a disaster. So that's the idea of intelligent business enterprise. In simple language, robotic process automation is taking place with I can say little bit of sensing of what is taking place in the external environment. So this is one of the high level so of understanding. So children, before I move on to the note, are you clear with the explanation of this, children, on intelligent business enterprise?
Yes, sir.
Thank you. Others, can I get Y in the chat box? Just asking, is Byju's an intelligent enterprise? I think so, because Byju's tracks you. What do you think? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
It tracks your progression. So I'll write down here intelligent business enterprise. This is a virtual enterprise. This is a virtual enterprise where the systems provide the service. The systems provide the service using the past data and automation. Past data and automation. Are you clear with that, Astro? Yes or no? So I will give some
Yes,
classic
sir.
example. I will say example Amazon. Example Amazon is a classic example of an intelligent business enterprise. So just remember, students, in future, if you don't upgrade yourself to the intelligent business enterprise, how you can develop codes for an intelligent business enterprise and review that, you may be finding a tough situation. Okay, so I will come to the next one. So I can say at present, this concept is not common in Westland. What do you think, Ansro? Yes or no? Do we have an intelligence enterprise in Westland at the moment? No, right? It is
No, sir.
generally
Not me.
human command, machine will respond. Machine won't automatically respond. Correct? No answer until.
Yes, sir.
So I'll write down it's not common in Westland. Therefore, if Frinta develops this concept, it can take over the YP Burn Vox market based on consumer convenience. Now it's always consumer convenience. What do you think, Anstro? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Hereafter, no more consumer satisfaction. It is consumer convenience. If they are convenient with the service, they will come back. If they are not convenient, they won't come back. Correct? No, Anstro? Yes or no? Because
Yes,
everything
sir.
is becoming in a fingertip, and that's how it works out. Now coming to the next one. What I can generally say is heating and ventilator. So I clearly mentioned that consumer convenience. So you got the basic idea about the intelligent enterprise. So what I will do, just a minute. So I will come and write down this section, heating and ventilator, everything. So coming in the heating and ventilator section, what we will do now is let's work on this. So if you see in the heating and ventilator, what I can specifically write down is I can say at present, we have the app-based control. App-based what? Control. Now, my question to you, Ansro, using the app, can we track the timings which they are switching on, switching off? Yes or no, Ansro? Can we
Yes, sir.
just check that? So I can write down, using the app, we can track the user pattern, and based on their usage, we can provide auto suggestion. We can provide what? Auto suggestion. What do you think, Anfro? Yes or no? Auto
Yes, sir.
suggestion. Students, auto suggestion is a very, very important point of verb. If you don't mind, can you I'll just highlight that auto suggestion, because this auto suggestion is very, very important for everyone, for your understanding. So we can provide auto suggestion. At present, we have the app, and based on control, using app, we can track the user pattern, and based on their usage, we can provide auto suggestion. This may enhance the convenience, and slowly, we can also upsell products. What we can do? Upsell products. Upsell products such as smart speakers, such as smart speakers. Answer, have you seen some apps promote their company product? Have you observed that, Answer? Some apps
Yeah.
generally promote their company products. So another digital marketing strategy we lost was we are not using our app to even promote our product. So
Yes, sir.
what I will do is I'll just continue with the smart speaker. So in this, I'll write down the smart speaker can observe the external environment using internet. Example, I can say the climate, and automatically adjust the temperature. Answer, just a question. Have you seen some mobile phone nowadays has the feature of automatically changing the brightness? Have you observed that?
Yes, sir.
So this
Yes,
is
sir.
little bit of intelligence. Okay, automatically adjust the temperature, where the consumer may find the product more convenient. And further, using smart speaker, we can develop a data pattern of consumer habits. And develop new products. Example, I can say smart alarms, new products, smart alarms, smart robots, all these things we can develop. And ultimately, I can say these are generally designed by the machine. These are generally designed by what? By the machine. Are you clear with this answer? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Good. So students, now what I'm doing slowly is I'm just giving you the idea about what to connect, if I'm not mistaken. So get this point of view, Ansro. Are you clear here? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Thank you very much. So workforce reimagine for Frinta. So let's write down workforce reimagine for Frinta. So students, I'm just summarizing this because I believe you got the theme of these points very, very clearly, because the theme is very, very important. So I told it should be having a 7 paragraph. I completely understand. But what I'm doing is, for the time being, I'm just minimizing it for 3 paragraphs, because my 3 paragraphs has covered many of the factors. So coming to the next one, workforce reimagine for Frinta. Now the problem, what is workforce reimagine? I will tell you what is workforce reimagine. Now, can I ask you one question, Ansro? Currently, the classroom, what we have is a classroom reimagine. Because if you see, I'm not having a whiteboard in the class. I'm not having anything. We are not even seeing anyone in the classroom. But what is happening? The classroom is being connected using platforms like Zoom, using machines like computer, mobile phone, and tablets. Correct me if I'm wrong. So
Yes, sir.
workforce reimagine means you are using technology in the working environment. Are you clear what I'm saying, Anshu? Because I
Yes.
don't see there was any technological development in the production of, I can say, heating and ventilators, and also maybe smart speakers may have because they are in the tech city. But other than that, I didn't see any much of a development. Are you fine with that? Yes or no, Anshu?
Yes, sir.
So I'll write down here. Workforce reimagine is the process where the human resources get adapted to use technology, in working environment. I will give you a classic example. Now, any finance person should know how to use online banking. What do you think? Online banking by a finance professional. What do you think, Ansro? Yes or no?
Yes,
Because
sir.
nowadays everything is financially automated, so it's finance professional. So it's very clear. So I will continue with the next sentence. So I will write down here. For Frinta, we have the following challenges. Factory in industrial zone, Central Westland. May have challenge since it is almost 50 years. It is almost how many years? 50 years, where there may be old employees who may resist. Agree or not agree, students? Who may resist? For sure. Who may resist? Therefore, the process needs to be on a process needs to be on a phased basis. Needs to be on a phased basis. Phased basis means step by step. You get what I'm saying? Step 1, step 2, step 3, like that, step by step, not a full completion. This may have efficiency. So I'll write down here. We cannot introduce RPA immediately. But we can do it on a step-by-step basis, if I'm not mistaken. So the next one is, I'll write down here, the factory in the tech city would have been started in early 2015. That is my observation, because 2016 we developed the product, our first smart speaker, so early 2015. Therefore, the human resource may be young. What do you think, Ansro? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
And they may appreciate the technological development at workplace. What do you think? Yes or no? Technological
Yes, sir.
development at workplace. Students, I believe that has given a better idea and a clear picture for you. So the major idea is, as a finance manager, how you are going to implement it to the organization as a finance manager. So students, if you get the answers, now everyone has written a very strong answer. I need to honestly accept the truth. But the problem with the answer was the important data as a finance manager has been missing. Are you clear with this answer? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
So students, I will go for a one-to-one session now. So starting from Ansro, any questions?
No, sir.
Thank you. Amrit Nash, any question, Amrit Nash?
Sir, with the second part, intelligent business enterprise, what could be the more paragraphs? Just the subheading.
More paragraphs, I can say in this case, you can't write so many paragraphs, but more paragraphs, what I can generally connect is the cost factors we can consider, the time factors we can consider, cyber security. You get what I'm saying? There can be a situation of cyber security, no, Amrinach. Privacy, consumers' private data will be taken. You understand what I'm saying? Example, when Amazon is giving you so many suggestions, indirectly means your private data is with them. Do you understand or not understand, Amrita?
Understand, sir.
So that factors can be written. Is that fine?
Yes, sir. Thank you.
Welcome. Ahmad Zaim, any questions?
It's okay, sir.
Ashraf, any questions?
No, sir.
Chaitra, any questions?
No, sir. Thank you.
Dana, any questions?
No, sir. Thank you.
Ivo, any questions? Jude, any questions?
No, sir. Thank you.
Malit, any questions?
No, sir. Thank you.
Meenakshi, any questions? Mahmood Rahman, any questions? Miri Rai, any questions? Nishant, any questions? Funny, any questions? Shariar, any questions?
Yes, sir. How many words we have to read, write for 25
Paragraph.
marks?
There is no word count, paragraph count. So paragraph can be structured with a logical 4 sentences. Because the system doesn't allow you to calculate word counts. Shruti, any questions?
Yes, sir, I have a few questions. So the first question is, it states like this is a draft of a mail in which we need to answer. So will the answer be like directly like this you have prepared, or should I start like hi, hello, and then?
No, frankly speaking, you can have a hi, hello, but that will just increase the value of your answer, but not the marks of the answer. So you no need to write hi, hello. If you require, you can write. There is no compulsion in that.
Okay, okay. And talking about the workforce reimagined, I really didn't get the answer on that. So if you can just put few more points so that I can get what the...
Yes, now workforce reimagine is now working from home. It's a classic example of workforce reimagine. Now, if you see the millennial and the 90s people, they can generally adjust for that. But if you see the old people, they are at 80s, they find it very difficult to work with the computer systems without human interaction. So what happens is, in our case study, we have 2 factories. One is the first factory, which may definitely had old people from the founder's time, the plumber. So they may find workforce reimagine very hard. Like example, working with computer softwares, working with robots, working with systems automation. They may be always used to the manual way of producing. But if you see the new factory, what we have in the Tech City, they produce the smart speaker. They generally have the capacity of producing at a higher pace. Example, young people, they will definitely upgrade themselves. So workforce reimagine means how the current human labor is developing to work with the softwares and computers and machinery in the working environment rather than doing a manual workforce. Example, another classic is accountant's job. It's a workforce reimagine nowadays. We do it in computer platforms like QuickBooks, Peachtree. So that's a workforce reimagine. But if you speak to an old accountant, he may not find it very easy to allocate himself to that. Are you clear there?
Okay, so doesn't it mean like creating an IT department in the Tech
No.
City would be helpful?
No. Because if you see, it may be helpful, but for this case study, it may not be helpful. The main reason is how much ever the IT is a technical function. It is not a strategy function. So technical function has the process of becoming outsourced also. You get the point what I'm saying?
Yeah.
Thinking in a developed country. Now, if you see Westland is a developed country. Now, a basic example, all the developed countries outsource technical functions to developing countries. You get the point there.
Yeah.
So developing an IT department, we should be very careful on that suggestion because we are already a developed nation. So technical skills can be hired. That's the point.
Okay. Okay. And my last question would be like, all the answers are based on Frinta case study, and we are relating to the case study, taking Frinta as the base. So can we take mention other companies as well, like Apple, Google, or any other thing as well?
As I told you, yes, provided that is situational matching. Example, I did it here. Now, if you see in the first one, I gave an example of manual bookkeeping, and I gave some example of, I can say, Satosa. That was a Sri Lankan online store. So that it can be given. You can give those examples. The Satosa.com not aware by anyone. So that's a practical example, but it should be relevant to that question.
Perfect. Thanks a lot, sir.
No problem. So the next person, Syed, any questions? Vishnu, any questions? Yusuf, any questions? Okay, so thank you very much, students. I will send you the mock number 2 by today night or tomorrow morning. Definitely you will get it. So deadline for the mock number 2, you can send it to me tomorrow late night. You can send it to me around 11 p.m. If you can spend around 45 minutes and send it, it's fine. Again, that's an open book exam. So you can improve your writing skills. So thank you very much for today. Have a wonderful day, students. Take care.
Thank you, sir.
Welcome.
Thank you, sir.